morning everyone. Good morning all of you. Right, we are discussing partnership topic. One more example I will give. Yesterday in the last class we discussed about 3 models. Now one more example I will give. Kiran starts a business right here. I'll give one example. Shalini and Prasanna invest 20,000 and 30,000. Shalini and Prasanna invested 20,000, 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. Two lakhs and 3 lakhs respectively in a business. Now he is telling that Prasanna joined after some months, but Prasanna joined some months after Shalini joined. Prasanna joined some months after Shalini joined. If they share the profits in the ratio, if they share the profits in the ratio, if they share the profits in the ratio 4:5, in the ratio of 4:5. Now he is asking at the end of the year, now he is asking after how many months did Prasanna join? After how many months did Prasanna join? Can I get answer from any one of you? Read the question carefully. Good morning everyone, right? Read the question carefully, what was given there you see. After how many months did Prasanna join? After how many months did Prasanna join? What was given there in the question you see clearly. Shalini and Prasanna investments are given 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. So we can get investment ratio. Investment ratio we can get investment ratio. So what is the investment ratio here? 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. It means we can take this ratio as 2:3. Next, what is the time period? But Prasanna joined some months after Shalini joined. Prasanna joined some months after Shalini joined. If they share the profits in the ratio of 4:5, here time difference is there, time period is not equal. When time period is not equal, how to take the profits ratio? Already we learned. When time period is not equal, how to take the profits ratio? Already we learned. So when time period is not equal, how to share the profits ratio? Profits ratio. How to take profits ratio? Investment into time period is to investment into time period. Into time period. Like that you need to take this profits ratio. Now profit ratio is given as 4:5. Can I get from any one of you? What is the answer? Yesterday we did, on Saturday we did in almost 5 to 7 sums, all models. Can I get from any one of you? After how many months did Prasanna join? Prasanna joined after some months, Shalini joined means Shalini worked for 12 months. So time period if you take, so this is Shalini and this one is Prasanna. This one is Prasanna. So Shalini worked for, Prasanna joined after some months after Shalini joined. Shalini for 12 months and Prasanna for X months. We don't know how many months she was there in the business. So then investment ratio we got and time period we got. Profits ratio. Profits ratio, investment into time period is to investment into time period. Actually this is the profits ratio. It means 24:3x. This is the profits ratio. This one is given as 4:5. This 24:x is given as 4:5. This 24x is given as 4:5. What is x here? When ratio is given like that, we know that product of extremes equal to product of means. So 3 into x into 4 equal to 5 into 24. 4 6 and 3 2. So x equal to 10 months. X equal to 10 months. So Shalini was there in the business for 10 months. Prasanna joined after some months means Prasanna is there in the business for 10 months. So how many months after she joined means, year is having 12 months. She joined after 2 months. Answer is after 2 months. After 2 months. Is it clear for everyone or shall I explain once again? After 2 months, Prasanna joined. After 2 months, Prasanna joined. 10 is not answered. 10 we got, she was there in the business. Everybody written 10, very good. But x is 10 months means she was there in the business for 10 months. But the question what is asking, after how many months did Prasanna join? Total 12 months here, she was there in the business for 10 months. After 2 months, she joined. Once again, you see, once again, See the question clearly once. What happened here, you see? Investment ratio is given. Investment ratio is given. Investment ratio 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs. We can take 2:3. We can take 2:3. Now the question is, Prasanna joined some months after. Some months after Shalini joined. Suppose if you take time period, if you take Shalini is there in the business for the total months. What are the total months? End of the year means 12 months. This is for 12 months. And Prasanna joined late. So how many months she was there in the business means that we are taking as X. She was there in the business for X months after profits ratio. Profits ratio. What is our formula? Investment into time period. Investment into time period. Investment into time period. Investment into time period. This is 24:3x. But this 24:3x is given as 4:5. This ratio, profits ratio, is given 4:5. Product of extremes equal to product of means. 3x into 4 equal to 24 into 5. So 4 will go 6 times, 3 will go 2 times. X equal to 10. She was there in the business for 10 months. It means after 2 months, Prasanna joined. After 2 months, Prasanna joined in the business. Prasanna joined in the business. After 2 months, Prasanna joined in the business. Is it clear for everyone? Right? 10 is answer, but not is asking how many months he was there in the business, was not asking. He was asking after how many months Prasanna joined. Total 12 months for 1 year. She was there in the business for 10 months. So after 2 months Prasanna joined. Right? One more example I will give. One more example. A person X invests. A person X invests. A person X invests 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees. And Y joins after some months, read carefully, after some months, with an investment of 30,000, with an investment of 30,000, with an investment of 30,000. If they share the profits in the ratio, if they share the profits in the ratio, if they share the profits in the ratio 4:5, in the ratio 4:5, at the end of the year, now he is asking after how many months did Y join? In how many months Y join? In how many months Y join? Just by reading the question we can give the answer, because before question also same question, there the investment is 20 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 3 lakhs, here 20,000 and 30,000, same investment, ratio is same, but investment is different, but ratio is same. Same answer you will get after 2 months only, answer will be there. For better understanding, I am writing here investment ratio. Investment ratio 20,000, 30,000. So cancelled means 2:3. Time period. Time period means one fellow joined late. Why joined after some months? It means this is for X and this is for Y. X was there in the business for 12 months and Y is there in the business X months. Y is there in the business for X months. But the question is asking after how many months Y joined. It was not asking how many months Y was there in the business. It was not asking. It was asking that how many months after Y joined. So time period is not equal means what is the profits ratio? What is our formula? Profits ratio. Investment into time period. Investment into time period. So 24:3x. But this one is given according to the sum. 24:3x is written as 4:5. When two ratios are equal, they are in proportion. Product of extremes equal to product of means. 3x into 4 equal to 24 into 5. 4 will go 6 times, 3 will go 2 times. X equal to 10. So this fellow was there in the business for 10 months. So after how many months Y joined means after 2 months Y joined. After 2 months Y joined. Y joined in the business. This one is the answer after 2 months. Right, one more example I will give. One more example I will give. One more example. Hari started a business with 7,500 rupees. Hari started a business. Hari started a business with 7,500 rupees. 7,500 rupees. And later Suresh joined. And later Suresh joined. Later Suresh joined him with a capital of 10,000. Suresh joined him with a capital of 10,000 rupees. With a capital of 10,000 rupees. Now the question they are asking, if the profit at the end of the year, the profit at the end of the year were divided equally, then he is asking, when did Suresh join him? When did Suresh joined him? Suresh joined him. When did Suresh joined him? Read carefully the question. Read carefully the question. Hari started a business means capital amount is given, means principal amount is given, investment is given, and Suresh investment also given 10,000 rupees. But Suresh joined late. Hari started the business. At the end of the year means business is there for 1 year and divided the profit equal manner. Then how many months after Suresh joined, the question they are asking. Somebody written after 3 months, after 3 months. Whatever the question is given, first you need to find out investment ratio. After that, time period. Those two are common things in partnership. Those two are common things in partnership. Now, what is the investment ratio? Investment ratio. First one is Hari and second one is Suresh. Hari investment is 7,500 rupees and Suresh investment is 10,000 rupees. So if you cancel it, what you will get? 2020 cancel. 25 will go 3 times and 25 will go 4 times. So investment ratio is 3:4. After that investment ratio, first thing you need to do is, what is the time period? Time period. Time period is given. Hari started the business and there is no middle drop for Hari, means he was there in business for 12 months. And Suresh joined with a capital of 10,000 later, means how many months or how many days we don't know, later he joined. So you can take for X months. So time period is not equal, then we can go for the profits ratio. In our formula method, profits ratio is investment into time period, investment into time period. It means 36:4x. This is the actual profits ratio. But what they did, they divided this profits ratio in equal manner, 1:1 manner. They divided in equal manner. To get 1:1, what is x value here? If you take 4 9s 36, x value is 9. X value will get 9 because the profits shared in equal manner, x value will get 9. So he was there, Suresh was there in the business for 9 months. It means that after 3 months he was joined in the business. After 3 months, Suresh joined in the business. Suresh joined in the business. So that is the question they are asking. How many months after means 3 months after. Very good. Many of you written 3 months, right? After 3 months. Very good. Very good. Right. One more example. One more example. One more example you see. Robert started a business with 4,500 rupees. Robert started a business with 4,500 rupees. 4,500 rupees. And was later joined by Priya later joined by Priya with 6,000 rupees. With 6,000 rupees. Now the question they are asking, after how many months did Priya join? That is the question they are asking. If the condition is, if the profits at the end of the year, shared equally, were divided equally. Can I get answer from any one of you? Divided equally. Right? What is the answer here? After 3 months? Priya joined after 4 months. Somebody written after 4 months and somebody written after 3 months. Which one is correct? We can check once. So first you have to do investment ratio. Directly I am writing. Now I am not writing any writing work, because many examples we did know. So investment ratio 45,000, 60,000. This is the investment ratio. If you cancel it, what you will get here? 15 will go 3 times, 15 will go 4 times. 3:4. This is the investment ratio. Now who started the business? Robert started the business. So this fellow Robert and this fellow is Priya. Robert and Priya. 3:4 is the investment ratio. Robert started the business 12 months time period, and Priya joined after how many months we don't know. She was there in the business for X months. So profits ratio is 3 into 12 is to 4 into X. So 36 is to 4X. But this was divided equally. 36 is to 4X according to the sum divided equally means 1:1. Equal parts. So to get 1:1, X should be 9. Then only 1:1 you will get. So X equal to 9 means she was there in the business for 9 months. She was there in the business for 9 months. So after 3 months she joined. After 3 months, Priya joined in the business. After 3 months, Priya joined in the business. Right? Very good. Many of you written 3 months. I will give one more example. Just you try. One more example. Ramana started a business with 50,000. Ramana started a business with 50,000 rupees, and later joined by Manisha, with 40,000 rupees. At the end of the year, read carefully the question. End of the year, Manisha got 1/4 of. Manisha got 1/4 of. Read carefully that one. 1/4 of the total profit. 1/4 of the total profit. Now the question they are asking, when did Manisha join? When did Manisha join? Try, you can discuss in seconds, right? Right, what is the answer? Now what is the investment ratio? First you read investment ratio. How much you see investment ratio? Ramana and Manisha. Ramana is 50,000 and Manisha is 40,000. So investment ratio is 5:4. So what is the time period? Time period is not equal because somebody joined late. So time period is not equal because we know it as somebody joined late. Who started the business? Ramana started the business, so 12 months, and this fellow is there for X months. According to our formula, profits ratio will be shared. Profits ratio will be shared 5 into 12 is to 4 into X. 5 into 12 is to 4 into X. But it was divided according to 6 is to 4x. So this one is Manisha's profit and this one is Ramana's profit. Manisha got 1/4 of the total profit out of 4 parts. She was given 1 part. Out of 4 parts profit, she was given 1 part profit. So this one is belongs to 1/4 only. 4x belongs to 1/4 only. 4x belongs to 1/4 only. Now, after how many months she joined? That is the question they are asking. Can I get answer? Question is completed. Answer is required, that's all. Yes, very good. Many have written 7 months. Somebody written 8.2 months. How? 8.2 months. How 8.2? Some many have written 7 months. Very good. How 8.2? Right? Okay. 60 is to 4x is according to our sum profits ratio. But Manisha got 1/4 means remaining 3/4 will go to Ramana. 3/4 is here and 1/4 is here. That is the profits ratio. 4 and 4 will be cancelled. Product of extremes equal to product of means. 4x into 3 equal to 60. So 12 5 x equal to 5. So Manisha joined after 7 months. Because she was there in the business for 5 months, Manisha joined after 7 months. Manisha joined after 7 months. After 7 months because she was there in the business for 5 months. It means after 7 months, many have written 7 months, right? After 7 months, she was joined. Right, very good, very good. After 7 months, she was joined. One more example I will give, just you try to do. A begins a business with 3,000 investment. A begins investment with 3,000 rupees. With 3,000 rupees. A begins an investment with 3,000 rupees and was joined by B and was late joined by B and was late joined by B with 2,000 rupees investment. With 2,000 rupees. At the end of the year, now they are asking, at the end of the year, B received 1/3 of the profit. B received 1/3 of the total profit. 1/3 of the total profit. 1/3 of the total profit. After how many months B joined in the business? After how many months? After how many months B joined in the business? B joined in the business. Can I get an answer from any one of you? Many have written 3, many have written 3 and one have written 5. Many have written 3 and one have written 5, right? Which one is correct? We can see. After 3 months, very good. 90% all have written 3 months, but one have written 5 months. Please check your answer, gentlemen or gentle lady. Just first you need to find investment ratio 3:2. Investment ratio 3:2. What is the time period? Who begins? A begins. So this fellow is 12 months. This fellow is there for 12 months. And this fellow is there for x months. So 3 into 12 is to 2 into x. This is the actual profits ratio. But what this was divided according to one fellow got 1/3, who got B received 1/3. It means 2/3 will be here. So 36 is to 2x is equal to 2:1. Product of extremes equal to product of means. So 2 to the 4x equal to 36. X equal to 9 months. He was there in the business for 9 months. It means that he was joined 3 months later. 3 months later in the business he was joined. 3 months later, after 3 months, he was joined in the business for after 3 months. After 3 months. Thank you all of you. We can meet in the next class.